Okay, guys, today we are gonna be playing. Let me walk in. You're gonna be playing this game called Cars versus Truck. I've played this game a lot. My truck and my car 5-star maxed out, so I'm really good at this game. This car is a 5-star if you didn't know. Yeah, so this car is a 5-star. This is not a default car. I've played this before. I literally have a fairy tale. Don't ask me why I got a fairy tale. I'm actually flying this game. Cars should be like this in real life. Oh my god, there's two trucks. There's two trucks. God dang. I'm a bit sick, but hey, where are you losers at? Oh, you got your ankles broken. Like, let me kill him. Oh my god, I just got cut. Okay. 6'7" Alex survived the longest year. I forgot that other guy's name because it went by so fast. Oh my god, what happened to my character? Okay, we're gonna do Rainbow Circuit because it's the best map in the game. Crossroads is second, and Desert Highway and Snowy, whatever it's called, or Trash maps. Trash because it's like very hard to fly in that game, but yeah. So let's go. Off the lock. Around needs to start for real. Ooh, looks like I'm the truck. Okay, bro. Oh, there's two. So we already died. They're trash. How are people die before I even get released? They have to be trash. They are though. I'm not finna die. He already keeps falling off at this one part. No way. Yeah, I didn't get him. Yo, I took revenge. He never killed me before. Oh, I didn't get that kill. Oh my gosh. Where am I going? Oh my god, this is so hard. Why am I going? I'm dead. Rosa! Plata! I'm dead. Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh my god. Let me get you. Okay. Actually, I have to stop. I actually have to tap in. I actually have to tap in. Okay, where's everybody? I swear I said that to me now. I swear. So, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, if I twist out again, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be I'm sorry, crashing. What's happening? Okay, so let me just kill you, bro. Let me just kill you. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Why? Dude, the sniper truck has no grip. If they have stats on these things, speed 9, acceleration 10. Oh my god! Do they even have a grip option? Let me shut up. Option? Because on cars, what about my highest rated car? So speed 9, acceleration 10. So I cannot do anything. There's no way people actually voted for Snowy. I actually am not even paying attention to it. That's how trash that map is. I don't even pay attention to the name. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Imagine I was just on the map, you know? Harder. Oh my god. Just get to the spawn. Where's the spawn? Oh, please don't tell me I died. Please don't tell me I died. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna die. Yo! Yeah, bro. Oh my god! Cause the ankle's crapped on. He got crapped on. Is he behind me? No one's behind me. No one's behind me. No! He was actually in Narnia. How the freak did he actually get me? He was all the way in Narnia. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm walking. Bro, round already ended. Okay. What did you say in chat? How did you get me when I was flying? Bro, Peanut Jaro won't. Bro. Peanut Jaro. Be quiet. Oh my god. Brother. It takes this out, bro. It literally takes that out. Okay, sure. Alright, bro. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. They want to do it. I have 150 spins. Just ignore all those spins. Actually, ignore all those. Yeah, just ignore all those spins. Yeah, just ignore all the spins. Well, bye guys.